So if you have an audiobook in MP3 format and would like to convert it into M4B, then this is for you. Additionally, this tool also analyzes the chapters that are within your MP3 audiobook and then extracts them and adds them as metadata to your M4B file. This means that you go from one long file with no chapters to a M4B file with chapters and also the usual benefits like resume playback. The chapters are found and added automatically, so there's nothing you have to do. All you have to do is drag and drop your MP3 file into this Dropbox. You can then edit the metadata if you wish. You can do so by clicking in any of these input fields and editing the text. When you are ready, just click on Convert Now. This will take you to the checkout page. Once that's done, you will be redirected to a page that looks similar to this. On this page, you can track your progress and download your file once it's completed. That's it. Thank you for watching.